Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of 2 days. A newspaper of Monday, August the 10th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 1318. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. We have here 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 5 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 22, plus 4 is 26. 1 less than the previous one, 27. The previous one was a 1 star Sudoku. This is a 2 stars Sudoku with 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about this big square with 5 missing numbers? One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, so no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column? So in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then 3, 6. No. 6, 7, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column, the third column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. These 2 boxes I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. The 6 and the 7. How about the 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next? So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then 3, 7, 5. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 7. We see here the 3 and the 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 digit left should be the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column and between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. and then A2 in this row, A2 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only two places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. First digit. Then 2 numbers left in the third column, the 7 and the 6. I remember we have a 7 now, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the numbers 1 and 8 are missing. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. 1 box left for the 8 should be there, 1 box left for the 1. For this box, empty box, yes. 1, 4, and 7, yes. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, the 1 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this row. The missing numbers here are the 4 and the 3. 3 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this last column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. 3 and 8. Then let me see. 6, 2. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7, no 7, we have the 5. The 5 is missing, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 8. 1, 6, 8. I see here 1 and a 6. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. So this box, 1 digit left, should be the 8. Here goes 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. And then Eight, yes. In the last row, three missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. I think this is wrong. Double 7 is not correct. We have a 1 here, so this should be a 6. This number should be a 6. Yeah. Double check it. 6. Alright. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the 1 should be between in those two boxes because we have a 1 here, no 1 there. These two numbers should be the 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. Let me mark them for you. 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. 5, 5. Here we have also the 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3. Let me mark them for you. 8 and the 3. 1, 1, 1. Yes. 5, 5. 7, 7. 4, 4. 7, 7. 9, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5. Four missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes, so the 8 could be here or could be there. 8, 1, the 3. Yeah. 8, 1 and the 3 is missing. These 3 empty boxes in this column. The missing numbers are the 1, the 8, and the 3. We see here the 8 and the 1 here. So no 8 and a 1 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 3. The other two missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Digit number 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 9, I believe. Yes, 9 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. Let me mark them for you. 7 and 3. And then the 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in the middle column, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. One number left in the second row for the number 9, one number left in the first row for the number 7, one number left in this big square for the number 9, 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 4 and 3, we have 4 and 7. 4 and 7, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore, this should be the 7, and this should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore, this should be the 3, and this should be the 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore, this should be the 8, and this should be the 6. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a moment with the third Sudoku, a 3 Stars Sudoku. See you later, and bye bye for now.